I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you found yourself locked out of your eBay account after a verification process, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the eBay sign-in page. Go to the official eBay website and click on the sign-in button. This is where you will start the process to unlock your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Once on the sign-in page, click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your eBay account. Make sure it's the correct one to receive the verification link. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from eBay with instructions to reset your password. Follow the link provided in the email to create a new password. Step 5. Sign in with new password. Return to the eBay sign-in page and enter your email and the new password you just created. If successful, you should regain access to your account. Remember, if you don't see the email in your inbox, check your spam folder. Sometimes it can end up there. Good luck, and I hope you be back to browsing eBay in no time.